Hey guys, welcome to my Bad Drivers compilation series. We're going to start off great here. Look at that. Oh my god, what are people doing? They are pretty crazy out there, so be careful. Here I am, I'm just driving along, coming up the hill. The lane on the right ends, I know that, no reason to be over there. And look at this person up ahead. What are they doing? There they go. Let's cross that line. We can't maintain our lane. We got to drive all over the road. Look at this. What on earth would they be doing? I bet they're on the phone. I don't know for sure. I'm in a truck. I can't pass them. Not like I'm on a motorcycle and can look over or something. Who knows? But they go over a few times. Good stuff. Here we go. Got a light. That's a cop up front. He turned left. Turns yellow. Turns red. Yeah, there they go. Crazy people. Here I am driving along. I'm going to be making a left-hand turn. That person didn't even stop at the stop sign up there. Just drove right on through it. Of course, why not? They don't care. It's all about them. Don't need a stop. Why would you need a stop at a stop sign? Oh, this was from today. February 19th. Oh my god, this person, I'm just sitting here. I'm waiting a turn left. They're waiting a turn left. The intersection, which you can't see, is clear other than everyone's waiting to go to school. So the other way is busy. There's no one in front of this Hyundai, but they're just going to sit here. They're going to sit here more. They pull up very, very little. I'm like, okay, so I get pretty close. Let's get their license plate because they're a bad driver. Unfortunately, they live near me, so hey. But look at them. It's like, come on, go. I finally give a little toot. In they go. I've already been stopped there long enough. Those cars are all trying to go that way. It's clear. So I turn. I get over, turn right. Look, they stay way to the left because I guess it was clear. So they make a turn from the left to the right. I go. No one's around on that intersection. And this person stays on the left side of the road all the way up. It's pretty sad that they live near me. Here I am at the school. The school has great moments. Coming up, you see a kid walking, that vehicle's turn, SUV's turn. Now it's my turn, right? Well, there was a bus coming, so I stay put. That guy finally sees it, stops. Here comes the bus. I let the bus go. I start going. This guy just continues as if it's his turn. The arrogance of these people amazes me. Oh, this was just for fun. This is just unsecure load. I just can't believe people put their tie downs and wrap them around ladders like that. And it didn't look too secure on the top end, but I don't know. It just was a fun one because it just, one of those vehicles, I can picture the ladder falling off and the person continues on. Here I am. Look at that car way up there. That is not a left turn. That's a right turn only, as you can see by the little island there. And they just pull out, and I purposely, leave it in so their license plate is shown on video. They are YouTube famous now. Maybe they should learn to drive. Here I am. The right lane ends. I'm stayed to my left. He's fine. He didn't use his blinker, but he goes over the double yellow. Not that big of a deal, you would say, but look, they're going to ride the double yellow. Let's see what else they might do. Oh, wow. Just rode right over that double yellow. And no, you're not watching the motorcycle here, although a lot of people will focus on that, thinking something's going on. Look at that SUV, though, to the left of the motorcycle. He's going to gun it. That left lane ends. It only turns left. Guns it, gets in front of the big truck. Here comes Mr. Ford Ranger. Hey, I'm going to jump over. Turn on blinker. Hey, I'm going to jump over in front of that motorcycle right on a solid white line right at the intersection. God, people are nuts. And the funny thing is, I end up getting ahead. Same with motorcycle. We get over to the right and we get around. So he didn't save any time. So he could have fallen right behind me. It's a school zone. Lights flashing. What is that vehicle just doing sitting there blocking the exit of the neighborhood? What are they doing? What's the point of it? Oh, it's all about them. It's all about they come first in life. Yep, that's what it's about. Oh, here I am on a nice graded dirt road called Mount Herman Road. It goes up to the mountains. I'm just tooling along here, just going the speed limit. There's bushes. You have to be careful. People hike on this road. People bike on this road. So I'm watching out for that. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, let's make it even more dangerous. Let's do a backup, a U-turn, a failed attempt at a U-turn on a corner. Oh, hey, let's pull forward because we see a truck come. And I go around, and they continue doing their backup maneuver. Clueless people. Here I am, coming on down. Let's see what we can find wrong in this one. They didn't even stop. And there's usually kids around and stuff going to school. Didn't even care. And these people have kids, which scares me. I'm going to turn left. What? Oh, I guess they're more important. They're going to just turn in front of me from a side street. Nah, that's not how you do it. So this one I left a little bit longer. But I would like to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Hopefully you like the Bad Driver series I am doing. The right lane ends. That's why I'm on the left side again. I'm going up a road called Baptist Road. It turns into one lane. So that's why we're all over here, because we're going up. That guy is turning right into a neighborhood. He's good. That's the last neighborhood to turn right before you start going up and lose this lane. This guy comes forward. What is he doing? I don't get it. I'm just maintaining my speed. He starts backing off, slowing down. I'm maintaining my speed. And then he wants over and acts all surprised and gives me a toot. What are you doing? There was a car behind me, so I wasn't going to brake a great deal. I don't care about that guy.